Which of the following organic compounds will have the highest intensity of response when introduced in a flame ionization detector? A. Methane. B. Ethane. C. Propane. D. Butane. The correct answer is butane. How can carbon monoxide be detected using flame ionization detectors while using gas chromatography technique? A. By converting it into carbon dioxide. B. By converting it into methane. C. By mixing it with combustible gases. D. It cannot be detected. The correct answer is by converting it into methane. Which of the following methods cannot be used for the estimation of hydrocarbons? A. Mass spectroscopy. B. Chemiluminescence method. C. Ultraviolet absorption. D. Gas chromatography. The correct answer is chemiluminescence method. A stripper column used in gas chromatography can be used to retain which of the following when an air sample is passed through it? A. Echo. B. Methane. C. Light hydrocarbons. D. Heavy hydrocarbons. The correct answer is heavy hydrocarbons. Which of the following is not a component of the mixture present in the reference cell of non-dispersive infrared analyzer? A. Echo. B. Nitrogen. C. Water vapor. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is hydrogen. Flame ionization detectors are sensitive to which of the following gases? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Methane. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is methane. Which of the following is the most abundant hydrocarbon which is emitted into the atmosphere by biological activity? A. Ethane. B. Methane. C. Polyaromatic hydrocarbons. D. Pentane. The correct answer is methane. Co-analyzers based on infrared absorption would give greater sensitivity under which of the following conditions? A. With larger cell path lengths. B. With smaller cell path lengths. C. By changing the gases in the reference cell. D. By increasing the sample flow rate. The correct answer is with larger cell path lengths. Hydrogen flame ionization detector can be used to detect only the peak of CO and not methane. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The disadvantage of non-dispersive infrared analyzer is that the effect of flow rate is large. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.